Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Van Morrison's Brown-Eyed Girl. Brown-Eyed Girl uses 4 chords. It uses a C chord, an F chord, a G7, and an A minor. For this song, I'm using the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up. When you're first learning this song, you might try all downs because it makes it a little easier to get all the words in. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog, with our hearts a thumping, and you, my brown-eyed girl, you, my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday and so slow, going down the old mine with a transistor radio, standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding behind a rainbow's wall, slipping and a sliding along the waterfall with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da, la-dee-da. It's hard to find my way now that I'm all on my own. I saw you just the other day. My, how you have grown. Cast my memory back there, Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Everybody! Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da, la-dee-da. Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!